In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the massage selectors on your 300 series Jacuzzi spa to customize your hot tub experience. Your spa is equipped with 2 massage selectors, each controlling 2 areas of the spa. These selectors allow you to personalize your massage experience by directing water flow to specific jet groups. For a balanced massage covering all areas, set both selectors to the middle position. This is the recommended starting point and ensures simultaneous activation of all jets. To intensify the massage in a particular seat or area, rotate the corresponding massage selector left or right. This adjustment diverts water pressure to specific jet groups, tailoring the massage to your preference. By familiarizing yourself with the massage selectors, you can customize your jacuzzi experience to suit your needs for each and every soak. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more easy spa tips from The Great Escape.